Alright guys, so today if I lose a single music, I will reveal one of my photos. Okay, how will I? Oh, download. Okay, bet. Sarah. I guess. Sarah. I will pause it real quick. Okay, how about this one, guys? One of my drawings. I pictured it. I'm so cool, you know. So, further ado, let's go back. Hmm. Let's pick a random singer. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'll close my eyes. Oh yeah, we choose Bandicoot. Bet. I think I can do this. Okay, let me try this. Looks cool. Okay. Another one. Okay, this one we got Naruto, Living Law, and who is this again? I forgot. And this guy too, I forgot him too. And this is the gang. I also created Naruto for no reason. Okay, back to the video. Yo, since when did I started watching X Sin right here? What child is this? Let me try something else. Hmm. Blue birds on a wire. Let's try the D. I mean the D.